Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening settings and going straight to network and internet, because that's where data tracking lives. Once done, tap data usage so you see both mobile and Wi-Fi totals. Choose the SIM if you use dual SIM. Make sure the billing cycle is set to your carrier cycle. That affects monthly totals. This first step reveals aggregate megabytes and gigabytes used, so you know where to look next and why the cycle setting matters for accurate monthly reporting. Now you dig into app data usage to find which apps consume the most. Tap app data usage and sort or scroll. The list shows foreground and background traffic, so you can spot culprits. Once you open an app entry, you'll see exact numbers for background versus foreground. This explains unexpected drains. Make sure to switch between mobile and Wi-Fi tabs to compare. Knowing both helps you decide whether to restrict background data or adjust app permissions to reduce overall usage. Finish by protecting your plan. Enable Data Saver or set a mobile data limit so the phone warns or cuts off usage at your chosen threshold. If numbers seem wrong, restart the device or toggle the SIM off and on. That forces a refresh. For any app reporting odd totals, clear cache or force stop it, then monitor again. If discrepancies persist, check your carrier's usage dashboard. Sometimes carrier measurements differ from the phone's, and that explains billing surprises.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.